Guys, if you want to see how I made this healthy, delicious yellow melon smoothie, please keep watching. Here I have my medium-sized yellow melon, which I have already washed, so I will just peel the skin off and cut into cubes. Another name for yellow melon is canary melon, which has loads and loads of health benefits. So I'm just going to list a few of the health benefits for us to learn. Yellow melons contains nutrients such as potassium, folate, calcium, zinc and vitamin K, which are responsible for repair and maintenance of strong bones. Yellow melon promotes healthy skin due to the amount of vitamin C present in it. They also contains loads and loads of antioxidants which boost the immune system. It is a good source of folates and vitamin B6, which are important for proper brain function and development. So here I'll just scoop the seeds out with a spoon and cut into pieces. So guys, at this point, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I'll be glad to have you part of the family. I will be adding 2 other important ingredients to make this delicious smoothie. So please keep watching. So from here, I'll pack all my melon cubes into my blender and add 1 cup of whole milk and 3 teaspoons of whipping cream powder and blend until smooth. Yay! Our healthy, delicious smoothie is ready. This is as sweet as you will want it. There is no need for sugar, but to your taste, you can add any sweetener of your choice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!